friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Those who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any new video. So do follow me on Instagram also. So as the title reads, I'm going to reveal 5 ingredients, and I'm going to tell the benefits of these 5 ingredients which work as wonder for your skin. So if you are interested to know what are the 5 ingredients which work wonder for my skin and can work wonder for your skin as well, then keep watching. These are the ingredients which are easily available in your kitchen. So the first ingredient I'm talking about is turmeric. Turmeric is rich in fibers. These are rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium and potassium, which helps to reduce dark circles. It helps to fight sun damage and aging. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces tanning from your skin and reduces dullness from your skin. So the next ingredient is potato. Potato has an enzyme called catecholase which helps to brighten up your skin. It also has niacinamide which helps to brighten up your dark skin, and it also helps to fight any aging. So the third ingredient is tomato. Has a super health property because it contains lycopene. So lycopene reduces the pores from your skin and provide you youthful and glowing looking skin. It contains vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C and folate, due to which your skin look radiant and bouncy. The fourth ingredient is honey. Honey has an antibacterial and antiseptic property which helps to get rid of dirt and bacteria. So it is good for both treating and also preventing acne. It has antioxidant and boosts collagen production as well. So the fifth ingredient is rice. Rice helps to treating dry skin. It also contains flavouric acid and electronic, which helps to perform a better natural sunscreen. So it also protects you from a UV radiation. It also exfoliates your skin, and it also helps to brighten up your skin. So I have told you all the benefits of these natural ingredients. I hope that you will find this video helpful. So I always try to inculcate this all natural ingredient on my on my skincare regime. So if you are interested to try some natural ingredient and you want to inculcate some natural ingredient on your skin, then do try this 5 natural ingredient which are easily available in your kitchen, and see the magic of this natural ingredients which are easily available to everyone. So thank you friends, मेरे वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए. I hope you all found this video helpful. So do like, subscribe and comment, and do tell in the comment box that what all natural ingredients you inculcate in your beauty regime, on your daily regime, skincare regime. And thank you so much friends.